the average size of a new single-family home in the US is still over $2,400 per square foot. A tiny home is typically defined as anything under $400 per square foot. No wonder the tiny house movement is getting bigger. A survey found 55% of tiny homeowners have more savings in the bank than the average American. We're talking an average of over $10,000 in savings. They found that it's a direct result of having drastically lower housing costs. And let me make this even stranger. I actually know a guy who lives in his car. Yeah, he is the richest guy I know. I'm not even joking. Beyond wheels or no wheels, you've got different styles of tiny homes in the US. There are shipping container homes, which are super industrial and durable. And then you see these really cool yurt style or A-frame tiny homes that have a totally different, more organic vibe. With tiny houses and small house living, there's a persistent myth that this lifestyle is only for solo wanderers or minimalist couples, but a growing number of families are making it work. The key is multifunctional spaces and a heavy emphasis on the outdoors. The living room isn't just a living room, it's also the dining room, the playroom, and maybe even a guest room with a convertible sofa. But the real extra room is outside. Families who thrive in tiny homes almost always treat their outdoor space, a deck, a yard, a nearby park, as an extension of their living area. But what many families report is that it forces them to be more connected. They resolve conflicts faster because they have to.